The TurboChef Fire is TurboChef's latest ventless revolution, providing an artisan hearth-style pizza experience. Born in Florence, Italy, the Fire is the culmination of many years of Italy's legendary pizza tradition, combined with TurboChef's unparalleled technology. Housed in a compact retro industrial design, the TurboChef Fire is simple to use and easy to install. With one-button operation, it's safe and ideal for any location wanting the artisan pizza experience without the expense of traditional artisan or wood-fired ovens. The Fire bakes fresh dough pizzas up to 14 inches in as little as 90 seconds. The TurboChef Fire is not only set apart by its unique design, quality cooking and speed, but its ability to operate ventless. This eliminates costly installation and extensive ventilation, enabling the artisan pizza in locations where it is otherwise impossible or cost-prohibitive. The Fire uses the TurboChef catalytic technology in order to eliminate smoke and grease during operation, allowing the oven to be certified ventless. Form and functionality are maintained in the TurboChef Fire. The exterior design embodies the interior cylinders that form the upper and lower airflow. The easy operation of the Fire allows any operator to independently control the top and bottom temperatures, ensuring consistent artisan-style results. You don't have to worry about the inconsistency that comes with cooking on a hearthstone, traditional, or wood-fired oven. This means no turning or moving the product to hotter or cooler sections of the oven. With the TurboChef Fire, baking is so uniform that you only have to place the pizza into the oven and remove it once the timer sounds, eliminating the need for a highly skilled operator. The technology of the Fire oven includes independent upper and lower airflows. This forces top and bottom airflow directly onto the pizza, producing a perfectly crisp artisan pizza. The jets of air enable the TurboChef Fire to produce hearth-style results consistently and evenly in as little as 90 seconds. At a fraction of the size of a traditional artisan oven, easy one-button operation, compact retro industrial design, and weighing less than 80 pounds makes the TurboChef Fire ideal for any location where the artisan pizza experience is desired.